Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I bought this at Harbor Freight last year and it stopped spraying on me. I pumped it up and all is coming out is a mist. I figured it out, so let me show you what to do if this happens to you. Let's release the air pressure here. Okay, we need to screw off the top and we'll put it between my legs here. It's best if you take it off this way instead of by the top part here. Okay, now we need to unscrew this right here. And you notice there ain't nothing connected to this end. The pipe in here has come off. And I don't know if you can see it in the video there, but it's on the side over here. So reach your fingers in there and grab it and you can pull it out. This is it. It's like a giant straw. Then you stick this part back on it. Then you can stick it back in the hole here. And be sure to tighten this up, kind of holding it up straight. Now we can stick it back together. Okay, now let's pump it back up. Now let's try it out. There's a lot better. Now this is the Harbor Freight Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer. Now this should work out on the smaller one too, and probably work on other models like this and everything. I hope this video helps you out. Remember, if you touch the inside here, be sure to wash your hands if you're using any kind of chemicals in it. But as always, thanks for watching, guys.